Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic: how to change or reset your Sodexo card PIN for 2025. With cyber threats on the rise, keeping your PIN secure is more important than ever. Whether you've forgotten your old PIN or just want to update it, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Sodexo mobile app installed on your phone or access to their official website. If you don't have the app, head to your app store and download it. It's free and straightforward. Step 1. Open the app or log in to the Sodexo website using your registered email or username and password. If you're new or can't log in, look for the Forgot Password option to get started. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Card Services or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu. Keep an eye out for icons like a card or a gear. Step 3. Look for the PIN Management or Security Settings option. Here, you'll see choices for changing or resetting your PIN. If you're changing it, you'll need to enter your current PIN first. If you've forgotten it, select the Reset option, which might require identity verification like a code sent via SMS or email. Step 4. Follow the prompts to create your new PIN. Make it strong. Aim for a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols, and avoid obvious choices like your birth date. You'll typically need to enter it twice to confirm. Step 5. Hit Submit, and you'll get a confirmation message on screen or via notification. Your new PIN should be active right away, but double-check by trying it out. A quick pro tip: always keep your PIN private and change it regularly for added security. If you encounter any errors, like login issues, contact Sodexo customer support through the app. They're usually quick to help. And there you have it. You've successfully changed or reset your Sodexo card PIN for 2025. I hope this tutorial made things clear and easy. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.